Alright, so today I'm hanging out with Mason. We're gonna do some photo stuff. This is my first time trying to vlog like this. I don't know. Might be fun. Might not be fun. I need a pack because he's coming here in like, I think he's coming here in like 5 minutes, and I am not entirely ready, but I will be ready for when he comes. So let's see what we got here. All this stuff in. Just put it all in. No, it's kidding. Kind of need to organize, but yeah, this is the main stuff. This is my headset. I also should bring that water bottle. Yeah, dude, I just got a bunch of random stuff that I haven't been able to get to yet. Alright. Photo shoots at your local Target?
Yes. All day, every day.
Alright. Dude, it's been a while since I've just been like randomly shooting.
Yeah, no.
Like,
I think it's fun. Alright.
Ooh. Yeah, look. I'm so far back. Alright. I think we're good.
Good?
Yeah. At least the moon's out.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright.
Which way?
That way. I don't know. I feel it. Dude, I love this lens. Jeez.
Or should I just like toss it in your bag?
Huh? Maybe come up here. I want to try something. Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Sweet. Bro, there's me.
Dude.
That's actually.
Dude, actually though, I would not. I'm not doing a photo shoot like that.
Dude, what do we just find out? Bro, what is this? This cannot be real life. This cannot be.
Which milk are we choosing? Wait, do one really quick for the video. Okay.
What am I doing?
Oh,
we're feeling like some ice cream, some Fitchburg chocolate shop. I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's what I'm thinking right now. Hello, welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. Take a video of this, please. It's good. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Dad. That's falling. You scooped it in the wrong way.
Bro, we gotta make sure, yeah, the corner spot, yeah.
You can move this table if you need to, too.
Nah, bro, we're good. We're chilling.
Should I put my feet up on this chair?
Yeah.
Hey, come on.
This is so good. This was the right choice. Alright, so I guess I didn't really do a closing there, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully there's going to be more like exciting vlogs. Like that was sort of fun, but more exciting, more like involved vlogs. That was my first time recording in a while, so I think I know what I have to do to make it more entertaining for next time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and go check out the other channel down below and follow me everywhere else. So yeah, see you guys next time.